how to listen to music offline on ESound. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily listen the music offline in the ESound application. So first thing first, simply download the ESound application, whether it's on Android or iPhone, doesn't matter. So once you click on and install and open the ESound application inside here, simply head over to any of the song you like. Let's say I like the song this one, and to see this or to hear this as an offline mode, you have to simply click on this favorites icon here, and as you can see, it's downloading it into the offline mode. You download basically download it the song into your device, and once you click on the icon over here, like two dots here over here, you can simply click on this two dot icon, and once you click on it, as you can see, it has been added to your offline track, so you can easily access it as an offline. You can also remove it from the offline as well. As you can see, now that I have turned off the Wi-Fi and I had added the song before previously downloaded it, you can simply hear it as an offline version. So that's it guys. And to find all of your downloaded songs on ESound application, simply click on the library section and click on saved songs. You can see all of your songs over here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.